Welcome to my new blog post 35. In this blog post, I'm going to discuss about organizational process assets. So let's start. So it's going to be a very basic introduction about organizational process assets. So organizational process assets, also known as OPAs, are basically the plans, processes, policies, procedures, and knowledge bases specific to and used by the performing organization. These assets influence the management of the project. OPAs include any artifact, practice, or knowledge from any or all of the performing organizations involved in the project that can be used to execute or govern the project. The OPAs also include the organization's lessons learned from the previous projects and historical information. OPAs may include completed schedules, risks data, and earned value data. OPAs are inputs to many project management processes. Since OPAs are internal to the organization, the project team members may be able to update and to the organizational processes assets as necessary throughout the project. The OPAs may be grouped into the two categories. First category is processes, policies, and procedures, and the second one is organizational knowledge base. So this is a basic introduction about the OPAs. Now the question is, OPAs are basically internal to the organization. The project team members may not be able to update and add to the organizational process assets as necessary throughout the project. So is it true or false? Answer lies in this video. So please do not forget to answer the question in comment section of this video.